So you can finally dropship 3D prints so that you can make goods and services that were never possible before with regular POD. This is a really big deal, guys, because up until this last year or so, it was not possible to dropship 3D prints. If you wanted to sell 3D prints, if you saw a cool file online or something that solved some of these problems, you would have to download the file and then run your own print farm to produce as many of these little toy ducks as you needed. But that's not the case anymore. With services like Teleport, you are now able to just find a file, design a file, upload a file, connect it straight into your Etsy, eBay, Amazon, Shopify, TikTok shop, whatever it happens to be. And then when you get an order, a giant print farm with hundreds to thousands of machines will grow the part for you, put it in a box, and ship it to the customer for you. 3D printing, drop shipping. And it's based inside the United States, so you have access to the biggest market on the world. But this is the first time this has ever happened before. In regular POD, everybody has always been stuck with printing onto a mug, printing onto a t-shirt, printing on some plush pillows, and then maybe making some adjustments here and there and yonder. But with 3D prints, you have a huge advantage now because you can add into your existing POD store, but you can now actually create original products because 3D printing makes the mug, or makes the t-shirt, or makes insert item here. Pencil cups, organizers, tools, gadgets, gears, toys, all this stuff. It opens up way wider than it's ever been before. So you're not just restricted to the baseline commodity product that you can print onto. You can actually make something interesting. And you don't have to go and find whatever drop shipping tier from some set of manufacturers to where you have to buy it and drop ship it around. With 3D print on demand, you're actually able to have parts delivered in a few days rather than a few weeks crossing the ocean from some Chinese factory. So it's a way better way to create really high margin, really high value, really highly differentiated products for your POD store. And that has only just started to become possible in the last 6 to 12 months. But now you have the advantage because you can move ahead, start doing this as soon as you possibly can because you don't have to build a print farm yourself. You just have to find good designs or create good designs and then start selling them. And when you get an order, they will be printed and shipped straight to your customer just as before, which is a whole new thing that you've never seen before. And we're really excited to see what creators will make now that they can create real products on demand exactly to their spec. Have a great day, everybody.